Hi, I'm Jo Weldon. Welcome to my chair dance program. I'm really excited to bring you this program. Chair dancing is one of my favorite classes to teach, and there's so many cute and sexy moves. A lot of these moves are based on Bob Fosse moves because he made the chair dance famous in the movie Cabaret with Liza Minnelli doing Mein Herr. And I think you'll recognize a few moves. But we have a lot of what makes burlesque burlesque, so we also have some bumps and grinds and hip hops and things that you'll love learning. This is designed for basic and beginner performers, and if it's something that you want to do for a partner, it's perfect for that as well.